Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix pending problem in Play Store. It is quite simple to do, so let's begin right away. I'm not actually experiencing this issue at the moment, but these are some of the things that you may consider doing. So first, press and hold your Play Store app, then tap on App Info, then tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Data, then tap on Clear Cache. Next, tap on OK. After doing this, check if it has already solved the issue. If it is still not working, on your settings, tap on About Phone option. Then check if you still have enough space on your phone. If it's already insufficient, you can scroll down and tap on Free Up Storage. By freeing up storage, you can ensure that the Play Store has the necessary space to function correctly, which can resolve the pending problem. If it still doesn't work, you can check System Update of your phone. If there is an update available, just tap on it and update your phone. By doing one of these methods, it should already fix the issue. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.